In addition to flushing or regularly running water through your taps, there are other easy steps you can use at school to maintain safe drinking water. 1. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to clean and maintain your school's drinking water fountains. 2. Post a maintenance checklist and calendar near the fountain to help keep track. 3. Regularly clean the small screens in the faucets, called aerators, to remove all debris. 4. Use only cold water for food and beverage prep because hot water increases the risk of plumbing corrosion. If hot water is needed, heat water on the stove or in the microwave. Bottles can be heated in a warm water bath. And 5. Post notices on food and beverage prep areas to remind staff to use cold water only. 6. If a filtration system has been installed in the building, replace the filters following the maintenance instructions. You can post maintenance checklists and calendars and set a schedule or reminder for staff to help them perform tasks on time. And 7. Use signs with photos to help students and staff understand that some sinks are for hand washing and not for drinking. Water connects us all. Mount Pleasant Waterworks.